Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. I feel like we're in the heart of the summer because we've had 2 days of hot weather and this is very yellow, very summery, and I'm definitely feeling it today. So, Honda Civic Ep3 Type R in the house. Today it's having an ECE exchange and remap. It's got some mods that we'll go through towards the end of the video. But first up, stock power run, see how we do. Good morning, Richard.
It's almost a season for Dan to say he's too hot.
Yeah, that's right. Normally I'm too cold, but now I am sweating. So, right, let's crack on. You all right, Rich?
Yeah, just sorting the air fresheners out there.
Yellow, very yellow EP3 Civic Type R. Came in at 207 brake horsepower, leave it at 220, and it's got some modifications. It's got a Japspeed 4:1, it's got an M2 exhaust system, 2.5 inch, and a Tegiwa leaf eater induction kit.
Yeah, to be fair, I mean, real, as I would class them, minimal mods.
Yeah, minimal mods,
Yeah, it's only made 220. You know, I think basically you can see on the graph, and I'm sure Dan will point it out, where originally it made peak power at peak revs, expected how you would expect a standard graph to look. Now we've opened flow up, we've made a load of power in the mid-range. You can see where literally it probably like 7 to 7.5 there, I would say. That's the customer's Bluetooth.
Yeah.
7 to 7.5, it chokes up and then goes. That's obviously exhaust flow, intake flow, things like that. So, I mean, to be fair to it, it has got the cheapest of cheap exhaust on it, and it has got
Obviously, this car has bags more potential, and if the customer wants to go further, he knows he can.
Yeah.
You know, a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system, a decent induction kit, even an inlet manifold, and this car will be even brighter than it is right now.
Yeah, we made a low bucket of power. Don't get me wrong. In the mid-range, it'll feel great. It's just that you always want to see that top end power, don't you? And when they flatten off towards the top end,
we map with what we're given.
We do.
Yeah,
right.
Let's look at the graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Okay, so say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Power from the get-go there, and obviously a big dollop in the mid-range. You can just see, as Richard says, it flatlines a little bit there, and that's just a restriction of flow. But we finish on 220, 189 at the wheels. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We're going to do a code word, and it's going to be yellow. So drop yellow in the comments below if you've got to this point in the video. We appreciate it. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed. Look at Richard's lovely calf muscle.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.